Welcome to the Injective Ecosystem News Roundup. Here are the top stories in Injective in the second half of January. Injective launches gas compression. Injective now offers the lowest transaction cost in all of crypto. Learn all the details about the Injective gas compression upgrade in this episode. HELIX trading volume exploding. New pre-launch future launches, updates to the spot grid trading bot, and the daily and cumulative HELIX trading volume exploding. All you need to know in this video. Injective Google Cloud Illuminate Hackathon winners. All of the winning projects presented, including their different use cases and the value they are bringing to the Injective ecosystem. Injective ecosystem updates. Talis, Mito, Ninji Wallet, Aeroscraper, Inspect, and Neptune, Hydro, Moon App, Kage, Dojo Swap, and more. New Injective dApps, tech updates, milestones, events, and much more in this episode. And now for today's top stories. Injective launched gas compression, making transaction costs on Injective the lowest of all of crypto. This means that now any transactions such as for staking, trading on a dApp, lending, minting NFTs, governance, voting, and more will incur practically zero cost. Before gas compression, transaction costs were very low already, and now costs have been reduced even further by over 4 times, from $0.0013 to just $0.0003. Imagine if you want to mint 1,000 NFTs on Injective. It will cost you a mere $0.30. This is 100 times lower than the cost on Ethereum. Or, for example, you could mint on Injective 8,300 NFTs with just $2.5. But on Ethereum, with $2.5, you could only mint 1 NFT. Furthermore, the cost to mint 1,000 NFTs on Injective is 500% lower than the cost on chains such as Polygon and 50% lower than the cost on Solana. In summary, on Injective, you can easily send hundreds or even thousands of transactions per second at a fraction of the cost relative to any other chain. And remember that on Injective, you're able to batch thousands of transactions into a single block. Injective now offers the lowest transaction cost in all of crypto with lightning-fast speed. Injective continues to achieve milestones with over 350,000 active Injective addresses and 49 million INJ staked on-chain, which is almost 50% of the total token supply staked. Well done. The .inj name service is showing great progress with the .inj domains increasing rapidly. The HELIX trading volume is exploding. It reached $17 billion cumulative trading volume and shortly after $18 billion cumulative trading volume. Moreover, recently, HELIX 24-hour trading volume hit more than 217 million, which is an impressive milestone. Great progress, HELIX. Remember that HELIX pre-launch futures allows future trading of highly anticipated assets that you have not yet officially launched. The first HELIX pre-launch futures market was Celestia TIA previously. And now HELIX has announced pre-launch futures for Layer 0's ZRO token and Jupiter's JUP. For context, Layer 0 is an omni-chain interoperability protocol and Jupiter is a DEX aggregator on Solana. HELIX announced important updates to the spot grid trading bot. Firstly, thanks to grid size expansion, users can now capitalize on smaller price fluctuations and enhance potentially the effectiveness of their trading strategies. Thanks also to enhanced bot capabilities, a higher volume of transactions with lower capital is now enabled, and this is because it is now possible to provide liquidity within smaller ranges. Furthermore, with advanced SL/TP controls, users can now specify their exit conditions, like choosing the price and side of the pair at which they will exit the bot. It is important to note that these features surpass some current abilities of CEXes. Finally, with the latest Injective gas compression upgrade, the cost to place trades is near zero. Two Talis proposals received great support, one to expand Talis partnerships and another to drop Catalyst NFT royalties to zero. Remember that to vote you need to go to My Talis, then Dashboard, stake your Talis, click on the proposal and choose your vote. Mito announced that the QUNT token launch is approaching soon and that QUNT would be similar to SHIB on Ethereum or Bonk on Solana. Remember that Mito offers launchpads, RWAs, real yield generation, and automated trading via vaults, executing trading algorithms through smart contracts and automating your trades and earnings. Ninji Wallet has become the first native Injective wallet to launch in both the Google Play Store and iOS. Congratulations. Omni announced that INJ is the first asset ever to be onboarded into the Open Liquidity Network, thus enabling INJ to be seamlessly utilized across all Ethereum L2 rollups and growing DeFi integrations for INJ across all Ethereum L2 rollups. For context, Omni is focused on interoperability for Ethereum, and it is secured by Ethereum. This integration is very significant for the future of Ethereum's DeFi ecosystem. Injective is embracing open standards like XERC20 and thus setting a new standard for open composability and for eliminating the reliance on traditional bridge protocols. There was also Injective and Omni AMA moderated by Masari. Aeroscraper provided a product update including mobile UI support with Kelper and Leap, landing and footer hackathon and FAQ updates and loading time code optimize. Moreover, Aeroscraper announced that the dashboard has now integrated MetaMask. Inspect announced an official collaboration with Injective and also participated in an AMA with Injective about Injective's growing NFT ecosystem. With this collaboration, Inspect will be a primary data and analytics provider, making Injective more accessible, efficient, fostering enhanced engagement, and accelerating adoption. Inspect will offer detailed and user-friendly insights and analytics, enhancing the experience and decision-making of Injective users. Neptune, the first lending market on Injective, has arrived. At launch, the tokens available are INJ, Atom, and USDT. Neptune mentioned that they intend to list more tokens, build advanced features, and launch new ambassador programs. In the coming weeks, an ambassador program will begin. Moreover, Neptune intends to add RWA tokens that have significant volume and a reliable price feed, for example those tied to treasury bonds. Hydro released anticipated Hydro docs with all details about the Hydro protocol. The mainnet launch is expected in Q1 of 2024. Hydro combines liquid staking derivatives products and RWAs to offer specialized LSD-Fi products. Hydro Protocol is the first liquid staking derivatives and LSD-Fi protocol on Injective, and it also introduces a unique specialized product called Real Yielding Asset, or RYA for short, to provide enhanced yield optimizing strategies. Leap Wallet announced upcoming support for Injective and Ledger. Moon app introduced the Injective SDK, which is a layer 0 to access all the Injective in the Moon app. Remember that Moon app is building a single layer for developers, projects, and users to access all Injective products, features, liquidity, and user base. With APP, users can access all INJ infrastructure. The Kage launchpad on the Dojo swap was a great success and was oversubscribed shortly after launching with a token allocation of 15 million Kage. Kage Finance is a trading platform. DojoSwap highlighted some milestones achieved in less than 1 month. $25 million in TVL, $95 million in trading volume, 3 launchpads, over 15,000 unique traders, and more. Well done. DojoSwap also mentioned that in February there are many more launchpads and feature launches lined up. The winners of the Injective Google Cloud Illuminate Hackathon were announced. In the first track of DeFi infrastructure and tooling, the winners were Aeroscraper, Azoya Labs, and Chain Defender AI. Aeroscraper is bringing interest-free over-collateralized stablecoin and DeFi loans to Injective. Azoya Labs offers a flexible debt product creation, tokenized debt positions for trading, liquidation of under-collateralized assets, and fixed interest rates on zero-coupon bonds. Chain Defender AI is focused on AI tools and software for automated vulnerability audits. The winners of the second track of Web3, NFT GameFi, SocialFi were tokenized interchain accounts by Serdar, Ninja Blaze app, and Ninja Kits. Tokenized interchain accounts tokenizes account ownership across multiple chains using IBC. Ninja Blaze app is focused on games on a blockchain with transparency and allowing anyone to verify the integrity of the games. Ninja Kits is the first portfolio manager on Injective for assets and positions, offering trustless and non-custodial access to DeFi. Finally, Ninja Kits also won the Community Award with all ninjas voting for this award. Congratulations to all the winners. During the Ethereum Denver event, Injective will host 2 side events. The Injective Builder Brunch will happen on March 2nd from 10 hours to 14 hours in the address indicated here. And during this event, there will be talks by industry experts and an opportunity to learn about the Injective EVM layer and to discuss with teams building on Injective. In addition, one-on-one mentorship from the team will be offered during the event. The other side event will be the Injective Happy Hour on March 1st from 17:30 to 20:30. The address of the event is also indicated here. Have a great time and learn a lot in these events, ninjas. And that is all for today's Injective Ecosystem Biweekly Review. So if you enjoyed it, ninjas, remember to click that like button, subscribe button, and bell icon too. If you'd like to support our Injective content, please consider staking some INJ with us, Cosmic Validator. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you ninjas very soon in the next episode.